Gusto kayo?
Yossi, break muna. Yossi, break.
Yossi, tinigilan ko na yan. Nakasama sa baga.
Kaya gumamit ng Lisha Nicotine Capsule. Nakatutulong ito para palakasin ang ating baga at tinatanggal nito ang bahid ng kadiring nicotine. Kaya kung may minamahal ka, gumamit ng Lisha Nicotine Capsule.
Be a lover baga, boy.
Dadael ba ta cellphone mo? Ken kahit mo ipatarimaan? Mapan ka di mapagkalkan. Mapan ka ken buraw cellphone repair shop. Nalakaken na ornos nga serbisyo para kadagiti cellphone nyo. Nuni puraw, tagtarimaan.
Puraw, ayos ang cellphone mo.
Umay kan ading taing agay ayam. Ay ayamen tatay batuta ni tatang.
Hey, listen up. This ground will gonna be tough, and this enemy will gonna kill you. So you stand your ground, be tough, apply what you've learned, and most of all, defend yourself. Or else. Any question?
Animals cannot protect themselves, but we can save and protect them. Do conservation before it's too late. Why we choose business management?
Because of BM, I became the marketing manager of Air Nino Airlines. BM taught me how to be an effective and efficient marketing manager.
Because of BM, I became the human resource officer of Grand Line Cruise Ships.
Because of BM, I became the CEO of GC Clothing Company, the most popular and passionate brand of clothes.
Because of BM, I became a BM professor here at Lorma Colleges.
Managers are not born, they are made.
Enroll now.
Ensure your future.
Kasi
dito, ayos tayo. BM Rock!
Woo! Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me go all out. Up in here, up in here.
You want to be relaxed. Come now and feel the relaxation you've been hoping for. Our body massage created to energize the body, relieve tension, and soothe aching muscles. There's no better way to celebrate than to pamper yourself with a refreshing day at the spa. Experience a journey that will leave your skin baby soft and soul refreshed. Come and visit us. Soul Spa is ready to serve you.
Come and visit us. We are located at first floor, Puso ng Baguio Building, Station Road, Baguio City. For more inquiries, email us at tml@yahoo.com or call us at telephone number 444-012.